Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take you for a spot of river larking, where we are going to look for bits of pottery and anything else interesting. So grab your wellies and let's go.
Yeah, stick there.
One little tip, if you're going to fly a drone, make sure you pick your phone up.
Where's my phone? My phone?
Did you mark up mine? What did you had your phone?
Where was it?
Let me just check. I think I've only got mine in there. I think I've got mine. Yeah, this one's mine.
I'll come back and get it. I'll see the bag there.
Yeah.
Boy. It's a river glass. Spectacular.
There's always some old local bricks to be found. next brick we found was made by the County Brick and Tile Company at Stackshead. They went into liquidation on the 26th of May 1900 after 13 years of production. 17 years after the disused brickwork was closed, the 114-foot chimney constructed with 90,000 bricks was pulled down.
Oh, right. Different.
Oh no!
Anticlimax.
Look at that! That's the smallest we've seen.
Yeah.
Is that the other half? That's bigger, isn't it?
Bigger, yeah. Look at that blue. Some kind of wrap wire around it, maybe. Not sure. Looks like it would have wire around it. There's loads of marmalade pots.
Oh, what's that? It's quite cute, isn't it?
Some kind of pot.
Yeah. It's
Pot of plastic.
pot.
Is it?
Yeah. It's got a number on it.
Right.
We hope you enjoyed our little video, but before we go, we thought we would show you why we don't do intros. Hi and welcome back to another video. We thought we'd take you along today on a little mud lark with us, so we enjoy. I thought you were going to say something.
Welcome back to our next video. I don't know what I'm
Hi and welcome back to another video. Thought we'd take you on a spot of mud larking today, so let's go. Some of our finds, we found river larking. So these are clay marbles. Now it says the clay marbles are the most commonest things to find. It took us ages to find two. These are alligobs, and it was a game played in the 1950s, usually played with 5 pieces. One would be thrown up into the air and you'd have to try and pick the others up before it came back down. That's what we found doing the research, as we were born in the late 60s, so we don't know much about the game. Other things we found while we've been river larking, we didn't find these on the river lark on the video we've just done. These are past finds. Yeah. So the clay smoking pipes were first used in Britain in the 16th century, and the early pipes tend to have small bowls, a bit like that one there, because the tobacco was expensive back then, so that's why the bowls are so small. And you always find, where's they gone? Bits, clay pipe stems. You can always find little bits. It's a bowl. But these are the only clay pipes we've found, aren't they? Some other finds. Glass bottle stoppers. I mean, these are broke, but I still picked them up. That's a full one, that one, isn't it? This is another find. On research it says it's a vintage ceramic egg antennae aerial insulator for a CB ham radio. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
So this find was in the video, and from doing a bit of research, all I can find is it's a spool insulator. This one we think is some kind of ceramic insulator. It is pot.
I imagine it have wire around it. These are a couple of jars that we found. We found others, but these we found at River. Milk glass, that's quite popular. Looks like pond cream. And that looks like a paste. I think it's a paste jar.
Now this one, I said it was a shark's tooth.
But
someone burst my bubble. I think it's a cow's tooth. You said it was a sheep's tooth, but I think it's a cow's tooth.
These are some of the vulcanite bottle stoppers that we found. Made them into a coat rack for our hot tub room. We hope you've liked our little video, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos.